up YouTube? Random video from some random dude on the internet. I just wanted to show you this because it's hard to sort of tell how much you get and what it looks like, but this is the Frank's RedHot gallon that I'll link down below. Super good deal. So this is what it looks like. You know, it's a big old gallon, sort of thinner jug, and this is just the original. They might make other flavors, so I'll link those too if they do. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. Super good deal. Keep an old bottle and just transfer this into it. Soy sauce bottles work well, or obviously an old hot sauce bottle, and that's what you get. You do have a big jug then, so you can use the jug for whatever you want then. If you wash it out, and you can stick a funnel in here and put nuts or dry goods, rice. It's pretty handy jug with a handle. Let me know your thoughts. It's Frank's, so you know it's going to be the best. The Tabasco people and the Cholula people can go and cry themselves to sleep. It's all about the Frank's. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.